Be part of the 20th anniversary.
Alia Beach, Ramogi TV, Homa Bay.
Weg nyamburko kachiel gi jokanyo mag riwruog nyamburko ma 2NK Sacco oyudo tiegruok ma obagnegi kod kambi mar okumba mar Directline Assurance e weche masira mag apaya to gi kaka ginyalo chwalo ng'ur mar yudo kony. Jatend weche uso e kambino Chris Katiwa lero ni thoro mar tiegruok makama en mar yango ne weg matatugo okenge mowinjore gi kawo e chwalo ng'ur magi e seche ma masira oyudo gi apaya. Jotelogo lero ni gigeto bago chenro makama e kor gwenge ma pachoka mar chiwo tiegruok e weche wuoth kendo yango yore mag rakore gi masiche mag apaya kachiel gi yango ber mar tiyo gokumba.
This is our team.
Na tumefurahia sana na tumesikia pale vile tunastahili kuripoti insurances. Immediately mtu gari ikipata accident ama ikipata kitu lolote tunaibidi siku hiyo tu mtu anaripoti kwa agency yetu ya 2NK, alafu ndio wanaforward hiyo mambo kwa insurance company.
Kitu kilikuwa kibaya zaidi ni wakati gari imefanya accident, dereva ananyamaza, mwenye gari ananyamaza, alafu baadaye anakutwa na problems za claims. Hajaripoti kwa insurance, hajapeleka makaratasi kwa insurance company. Kwa hivyo tukaonelea ni vizuri watu wasome.
We've taken the members through insurance as a product, the onboarding process, the claims process, what needs to be done when in the event of an accident. We've also taken the members through what insurance means, what the covers that they buy, the limitations of the covers, the scope of the cover, and more importantly, the exclusions of the cover.
There are some areas where our clients fall short of, for example, in terms of reporting claims whenever they're served with court documents which have legal implications on their end. So we're bringing them up to speed on how to go about court processes, and whenever they're served with any of these documents regarding or pertaining to a claim where an accident has occurred. I'm glad they're up to speed.